Hello, welcome back guys to Spotaria channels here. Today in this video I'm going to show you a tutorial how to change default applications on Motorola G06 Power. But before it, I hope you guys click subscribe and the bells button to support this channel. And yeah, now without any further ado, let's get started to the video. Well guys, here to change the applications default or the default application, you just have to open the settings of course. And then in the settings page, you just have to scroll it down again until you find the apps options like this. Now tap on it. And after we'll see the default apps, you just have to tap on it here guys. So there is the default apps on my phone. If you want to change it, you just have to choose the application that you want to change. For example, for wallet apps, here I'm gonna open it. And as you can see, I use the non-wallet apps here guys. If you want to change it, you just have to this option, which is Google Wallet or any wallet application that you have on phone. And also here, for example, for the browser apps, I'm gonna tap on it. And on my phone, there are no browser applications, any Chrome here guys, so we can change it. If you want to change the browser apps, for example, you can download the Opera Mini or another browser applications, so you can change it from the Chrome to another application like this. And also here you can change any applications like home applications, like phone application, SMS application, and etc. So yeah, I think it's enough from me tutorial how to change default applications on Motorola G06 Power. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to leave your like and comments below, and I'll see you soon on the next one. Goodbye.